When Nissan launched its groundbreaking VC turbo engine, it promised a revolution. The world's first variable compression engine designed for performance and efficiency in one package. But today, nearly 500,000 vehicles equipped with this innovation are being recalled. What went wrong? And could your car be affected? This is MotorHub 1003, and we're breaking down the truth behind one of the most significant recalls in Nissan's recent history. Nissan is recalling 443,899 vehicles across the United States due to a potential engine failure linked to the VC turbo powertrain. The affected models include certain Altima, Rogue, and Infiniti vehicles, primarily those built between 2019 and 2024. The issue? Engine damage that can occur without warning, possibly leading to sudden power loss and increased crash risk. For a technology that was marketed as the future of efficient driving, this is a major setback. The VC turbo, short for variable compression turbo, was Nissan's bold leap forward, an engine that could switch compression ratios on the fly, balancing power and fuel economy. In theory, this meant V6, like power with four-cylinder efficiency. But in practice, reports of premature wear, oil leakage, and catastrophic engine failure began surfacing. Nissan has now acknowledged a flaw that could allow engine debris to damage internal components, prompting this sweeping recall that if you own a Nissan Altima, Rogue, or any Infiniti QX50 or QX60 with the VC turbo engine, it's time to check your VIN. Nissan has stated that impacted owners will be notified by mail, and dealers will inspect and, if necessary, replace the engine components free of charge. However, owners are also urged to watch for signs: unusual noises, decreased power, or warning lights. If you're noticing anything strange, don't wait for the letter. In an official statement, Nissan emphasized its commitment to safety and transparency. But the automotive industry is watching closely. The VC turbo engine was a technological gamble that won awards and generated buzz. This recall casts a shadow on its future and could push Nissan to reevaluate its strategy on complex engine technologies. For consumers, it's a reminder that even cutting-edge innovations carry risks. Mass recalls are not new, but when they involve new technology, the implications run deeper. The Nissan VC Turbo case highlights the challenges automakers face when merging performance with efficiency. It also shows how quickly public trust can shift. Innovation demands risk, but when that risk reaches nearly 500,000 vehicles, it raises tough questions about engineering validation, testing, and long-term reliability. Whether you're a Nissan owner, a potential buyer, or simply an automotive enthusiast, the VC Turbo recall is worth your attention. It's not just about defective parts. It's about the real-world consequences of pushing boundaries in automotive engineering. This is MotorHub 1003, bringing you the facts that matter, without the fluff. If you found this breakdown useful, be sure to subscribe, stay informed, and keep your car and your confidence running strong. Backhand index pointing right. Like, comment, and share if these adorable fur balls made you smile. Bell subscribe for more epic pet moments.